Welcome to Joy Property Guide. Today we are taking you through one of the most prominent commercials in Noida Extension or Greater Noida West, situated near Godchok, named Bollywood Walk, uh, made by Home and Soul, a partner firm of Investors Clinic. They're the one who owns this building. This is situated bang on 130-meter Noida Extension Road, which is connecting to your Greater Noida. Here are some of the construction which is happening on the site. They are making the landscaping, and this is most talked about project because in initial time they started as Regal Emporia. It got stuck for a time. Later on, Bollywood Walk taken over this project, and they are making with amazing concept with some of the topmost brand like Patanjali, Holiday Inn, Big Bazaar. They all are tying up with this commercial. Someone wants to invest somewhere between 16 lakh rupees and need a daily return, daily in terms of 8% return for 9 years, and 12% till offer of positions is also available in this. One of the most prominent scheme, that is investment start from 16 lakh rupees. Here are some of the nearby societies. In front you can see the Gore Mall. So in this belt, 3 to 4 malls are coming. This is in the mid, and after Gore City Mall, this is going to give the positions. The society that you see is Gore Sondaryam, which is one of the most luxurious and premium society is said. This is the construction update of that mall. On lower ground, first floor, second floor, they have their retail shops, and they have multi-level car parking as well. Above fifth floor, they are coming up with office space, and on right hand side, they are coming up with studios, apartment, or business suites to be precise, named the Halt, which will be run by Holiday Inn. I'm taking you through the master plan or the planning so that you can understand how the whole mall will look like. That's how the facade and every facilities will look like. In the ground floor, you'll have your retail. That's how your office and studios will look like. This will be just like a replica of your Gurgaon mall, where Leela Kempensinsk is working. We deal with almost all residentials and commercials project of Noida, Gurgaon, Ghaziabad, Faridabad, and Kolkata. If you need any details or want to stay updated, click on the